Good morning, everyone. Get ready for place. India is my country, and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and rare heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, alone with last my happiness. Jai Hind.
How say hostilities?
Good morning to one and all present here. Today is 3rd March 2025 Monday. Today's morning assembly are going to be conducted by Aravali boss. I am Sharia Murtuja Khan of today's morning assembly, anchor of today's morning assembly. Now I would like to invite Tanvi to present a thought for the day.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought. Think like a proton, always positive. I repeat my thought. Think like a proton, always positive. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Now I would like to invite Vidyut Das for the news.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headline. Virat Kohli channelized. Indian Cristiano Ronaldo hits CO during India vs New Zealand Champions Trophy. Zelensky ready to salvage relation with Trump again. Oscar 2025 winner Kiran Kulkin Enora. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I would like to call Masoom Ahmed for the quiz.
Good morning to one and all present here. Welcome to today's quiz contest. My all questions are for all. My first question is, how many dwarf planets in our solar system? I repeat, how many dwarf planets in our solar system? The correct answer is 5. My next question, correct answer is Bikaji Rostam Kama of India. What is the full form of IPC? I repeat, what is the full form of IPC? The correct answer is Indian Penal Code. My fourth question is, in which form of government rulers are elected by the people? I repeat, in which form of government rulers are elected by the people? Yes, the correct answer is democracy. My fifth question is, who was the first captain of national hockey team of India? I repeat, who is the first captain of national hockey team captain of India? Yes, the correct answer is Jaipal Singh. My sixth question is, who is the Vice Chairman of Constituent Assembly? I repeat my question, who is the Vice Chairman of Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is H.C. Mukherjee. My seventh and last question is, in which year during Lok Sabha election, Indira Gandhi gave the slogan of Garibi Hatao? I repeat, in which year during Lok Sabha election, Indira Gandhi gave the slogan of Garibi Hatao? Yes, the correct answer is 1971. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now I would like to call the housemaster of Aravali Senior Board to talk a few words.
Respected Principal Sir, learned colleagues and the beloved students, good morning to all of you. So today's thought, always try to behave like a proton, be positive. It is a very meaningful phrase. So you know, students, your student life is the golden period. It cannot be repeated again. So through this period only, okay, you can develop all your good nature, good characters. So it is said that always try to be optimistic and not try to be pessimist. You know, you have a full of energy. And these are two types. One is the positive energy and one is the negative energy. If you utilize your positive energy, definitely you will become a very good person in the society. At the same time, the negative energy will also come to your body. And if you utilize it, then it will harm your body, harm your nature, behavior, everything. So one of the most important things what I observe is about most of the students try to telling lies. It's one of the worst things. If you've done something wrong, you accept it, you apologize it, and you rectify it. This is the best thing. But if you tell lies and if you try to show that, okay, you are telling the truth, something like that, then it harms nothing, it harms yourself only. So it should not be repeated. See, if you've done something wrong, you just apologize it. There is not such a human that, okay, they won't accept your apologize. So student, you see, your student life, as I told, it's a golden period. If you make a little bit struggle, then you will enjoy your life. And if you enjoy your life during this school period and not attending in any activity, good activities, then it will definitely destroy your life in the future. So my just advice is always be positive and do all the good things so that you will become a good citizen of this nation. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Yes, now, good morning to all of you. Today is the birthday of two students, Abhishek Nath of class 9 and Pooja Rani Das of 11 Commerce. So I request both of them to come to the stage and take blessing from our biology sir. 12 Commerce, yes, 12 Commerce. Pooja Rani Das, 12 Commerce, Abhishek Nath, class 9. Both of you come to the stage and receive blessings from biology sir. Sujit sir. Go on, clapping. Give a huge round of applause. Pooja Rani has come forward. আমার নাম দিলা है रे ये लड़की लोग नाम देता है और बोलता है क्या करता है okay your name was given to me